I was sent this set of 6 oven safety knobs, and up close you can see they have that really good texture on them, makes it just really easy to use and hold. I'm gonna show you how to put it on. It really could not be simpler. They're made of a heat-resistant silicone, which is great, and they're just really kind of bendy. So you take this, and that is it. It just slides right on. And depending on the size of yours, it can expand. You just gotta make sure there is a gap between. And then once they're on, I cannot twist this. I can't move it. Now without it, I can move it very easily. So especially if you have little kids, they might be turning on the flames, the fire. You don't want that. If you have pets that maybe jump up, that's the last thing you want. So these are really, really good. We always have oven safety knobs with our little girls because we are obviously big believers in safety. So if you have young kids, highly recommend it. We had different ones. I'm so excited for these because these are way easier, like way easier. So I love how you put it on, and when you're done, you can just take it off, use your stove, and then put it right back on for safety. So these are great.